Why would you want to do this without any additional props? Why would you want to create this type of meditation connection, this naked style of meditation? Well, from a neuroscience perspective, meditation, especially this naked meditation, it reduces the stress. It's been shown to reduce cortisol levels, which reduces stress. You want to practice without props. This also can affect and enhance by removing any potential distractions that may be there. Secondly, meditation improves focus. And if you're concentrating solely on your internal experience, then you strengthen the neural pathways that are associated with attention and focus. During this phase, you also have enhanced neuroplasticity. So neuroplasticity is that ability of the brain to reorganize its synaptic connections, when it learns something new or adjusts to a new situation. And regular meditation promotes this neuroplasticity. And during meditation, you have enhanced neuroplasticity. So it allows your brain to adapt and form these new beneficial connections. So better emotional regulation through the process of mindful meditation. This mindful meditation will improve the emotional regulation because it enhances the prefrontal cortex's ability to manage the amygdala's responses to stress and emotions. So that fight or flight response is dramatically decreased, and you have much more control over the outcome of those emotional experiences that you have. This is an extremely important aspect, especially when we are stuck in a space where we are communicating through text more and more, and we have less direct interaction with other people. And those are the moments where we become more triggered. The triggers are in response to behaviors of others. So, to summarize, imagine that you can meditate anywhere, that you can meditate anytime without the need for mats, for music, for a specific setup, for a specific location. This is an amazing way to deepen your inner ability to concentrate, to focus, to calm yourself, and to experience inner stillness. Naked meditation is the ability to focus on the outcome, on the present, on the mindful awareness that you have during meditating, and just be with yourself, be in that stillness without requiring all this setup, because often that setup is what keeps us from actually fulfilling on the actual meditation. So subscribe to this channel if you find this useful and helpful, and practice mindful meditation today. Naked mindful meditation, naked meditation. Check out my link to meditation introduction or my 30-day meditation challenge. Give it a shot, and remember, keep it simple and you'll get a greater benefit out of it. If you would like to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel below. Once again, my name is Stephen Dobos, and you can download a free centering exercise. The information is in the description box below.